Welcome to today's tutorial on the %XFOOT built-in function in IBM I. This function is used to calculate the sum of all elements in a numeric array. Let's break down how %XFOOT works with a clear example. What is %XFOOT? The %XFOOT function computes the total of each element in a numeric array expression. The result's precision is sufficient to accommodate the sum of all elements, up to a maximum of 63 digits. Importantly, the number of decimal places in the result matches those of the array element. Syntax is very simple, it's %XFOOT array expression. Here array expression means the numeric array whose elements you want to sum. Let's take a look at a practical example to see %XFOOT in action. DCLS, amount, zone 2, dim 5. This declares an array named amount with 5 elements, each having a zoned decimal format with 2 digits of precision. DCLS, result, zone 4. This declares a variable result, with zoned decimal format, capable of holding up to 4 digits. Amount equals %list, 30, 20, 10, 20, 20. Here, we populated the amount array with the values 30, 20, 10, 20 and 20. Result equals %XFOOT amount. %XFOOT is applied to the amount array to sum up its element. The sum is stored in result. DSBLY result. Finally, we display the result, which will show the total sum of the array element. After executing this code, the displayed output will be 100. This means the total of the array elements 30 plus 20 plus 10 plus 20 plus 20 is 100. The %XFOOT function is an efficient way to sum up all the elements in a numeric array in IBM I. By understanding its usage, you can handle numerical data aggregation tasks more effectively in your RPGLE programs. Thanks for watching our video tutorial on the %XFOOT built-in function in IBM I RPGLE by programmers.io. Stay tuned for more insights and tutorials on our channels. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.